Welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Canva to make marketing graphics 2025 a complete walkthrough. So you need eye-catching graphics for your business, social media, or ads. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva in 2025 to create professional marketing graphics step by step with no design experience required. All right, so your first step would be to basically just open up your browser. So open up your browser and log on to canva.com, as that is the website of interest for today's tutorial. So once you're on Canva, you're going to need to either sign up or log in to your account. If you have an existing account, you can log in. If you do not, use the simple sign up option anywhere on your screen to simply sign up for Canva, follow the steps, and you should be done. All right, guys. So once you've logged on to Canva, how can you go about, creating marketing graphics for your campaigns, your ads, your business, your personal brand, anything you're trying to get started up with? It's quite simple. So Canva is free, but they have premium options. So with the free options, you could simply make use of their templates. So where we have the home section, on the home section, we have what will you design today, your design, Canva AI, which is used to generate images. You could also check Canva templates, which are basically cheat sheets from people who have worked on the same project you're trying to work on. So we could simply search through millions of templates and get something started. It's perfect for businesses, marketers, beginners, and it features drag and drop editors, uh, then thousands of templates and AI tools that I mentioned earlier, like the Canva design or the Magic Design brand kit, and it's easily exportable. So those are the um, pros of the Canva app. All right. So, in order to search for a template you want to use, you need to have some subject matter. Basically, what do you want to search for? What kind of template do you want to search for? We're trying to create a marketing graphic template. We're trying to make use of a marketing graphic template. So you could just simply type in something like marketing. So you could type in something like this, and it could either be digital marketing, social media marketing, or marketing presentation. I believe digital marketing is okay. We could go with this option, and all templates that are available for free would not have the gold symbol. That's upgrading to Canva Pro by their side. They would just look something like this, easily customizable and usable. You can go through this list and find something you want to work with. This is really nice. You could have something like this. This is also good as well. This is a bit more in tune with whatever business or strategy you're trying to sell. So go ahead and click on any template you want to access or you want to edit, because Canva lets you have access to templates and also customize the templates. So once you're done customizing, you could change the colors, you could change the logo. As you can see here, there's a logo here, so you could simply change the logo and include your company logo. So let's get started with customizing. So go ahead and click on customize this template, and Canva is going to open it up on a new page. But on the previous page, you could also find other free Canva templates, the ones that don't have the crown. You could just simply make use of them for your cover. That's for your business or marketing. All right, so heading back to the Canva design. All right, guys. So with the design template opened up, I do have to mention that you can actually create your own designs on Canva. All you need to do is just let's close out of this template, scroll to the top, and click on create. So once you click on create at the top left corner of your screen, all you need to do is locate what you want to create. So you could simply create something like an Instagram post, Facebook ad, flyer, YouTube thumbnail. All you need to do is just from create a design, go to custom size, click on custom size, and you should be able to enter the width, height, and unit. And you know, they will give you a blank canvas once you click on create new design. On the blank canvas, you can then have things like this added. These are elements, like the woman here, she's an element, she's a picture. You can move the picture around. You can add text, overlaying text. You can add your company logo. You could even add other sides of this image to make it a bit more unique, like this. There's just a whole lot of things you can just get done with Canva once you know your way around the app. So creating a unique design of yours is possible, as well as making use of someone else's. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things you can do for the Canva, to kind of like make the template yours. Your first step would be to take note that it's a free option. This is free. We do not have to pay for this, but when you're trying the pro feature, you have to pay. All right, so we can take a look at this person's marketing agency. We can see the flyer. This is basically a flyer. So you could simply customize the content in here. So like, let's say this picture here, let's see if we can change the color. So the main colors for the document are orange, yellow, and things like that. Let's try turquoise. You can see the color changed. We could try light cider. The color changed as well. You could just kind of like go with different colors that match your brand. If your brand is basically something like green or purple, you could have those colors on there. So let's try something like violet. Yeah, this looks actually quite good. And then you can now have the violet theme around. You could have it constantly around your image, but this looks a bit too deep. You could just kind of like find something that matches, like this. And instead of yellow, you could just simply change it to a different color. You could just work your way around the colors. And now if you head over to the sidebar at the top left of your corner, at the top left of your screen, you could find other templates you could make use of. It shows that there are other templates. You could add them to this image. And if you head over to elements, you could add things like shapes, frames, circles, lines. This is a frame in itself. You can have other frames here with other images on it. You could also make use of free videos in the Elements tab. They also have AI image generator, photos, graphics, stickers, shapes, charts, polls and quizzes, frames, mockups, collections, all that good stuff. And underneath text, we have you can have your brand kit here. So you can add your brand fonts if you have a specific font. We have dynamic text, text that allows you to overlay a simple text over another text. Type gradients, type extrude, just a whole lot of good stuff happening on your screen. And then you could check through brands, but these are for people who have brands. Then you can upload images. You could check out tools. You could work on projects. If you have your existing projects, you could work through them on Canva. So all you need to do is just make sure you add your brand logo, convert everything here to match with the themes you're trying to set out, and you have yourself uh, a solid Canva image. And now, in order to make that image yours, just click on share at the top left, top right, and simply click on download. So go ahead and click on download, and you can download this as a JPEG instead of a PNG or a PDF. Any of the options are really good. And then just click on download and you're done. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.